Lamini extension today.
Mini suburb.
Yeah, we're always encouraged to see this. There's another nice structure over here.
Smallest kasi in Soweto.
In Dlamini, Lakeview. Beautiful designs.
Story 88 on TikTok and YouTube.
At Story 88.
We're here in Soweto, in Dlamini. We're gonna check out Dlamini, Soweto, and see what does it have in store for us. Yeah, you've recommended that we must come here and just check a look at Dlamini extension. Yeah, so this is it, guys. So we're gonna be exploring Dlamini extension today, and let's check it out. It's Dlamini. So we'll try by all means to get the locals to explain a bit of history about Dlamini and also the experience of staying around here in Dlamini extension.
It's just a small area, one entrance, one exit.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, okay. Very safe.
It's safe.
Yeah, very safe.
Yeah.
I found no It's a mini suburb.
It's a mini suburb.
Yeah, I was bonela normally welu hamba. Izinto yabona. Ubona na uthulekile.
I can tell.
Yeah, uthulekile kakhulu. Yeah, so ngisasemusha vele njengoba ngisho I can't say much.
Okay.
Yeah. Unless if uthule yabona la mathema la bazokutshela
kahle where does it come from?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. When you in extension
5.
or extension 5?
Lakeview.
So
yanga le Fox Lakeview yazona ngegama
Lakeview vele nje yowela vele busawa pilinya.
Yeah.
Concrete.
Shota nje iboom gate otherwise now kungekungene nje ibig le boom gate.
Sure. Sekushota nje ibig.
Yabona nami ngiyaphuma ngiyashuta bani camera kwenzakala.
Just ngisho case ikazi.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, kuhlala ama pension kakhulu. Kuhlala ama pension abantu abadala.
Abasipanile manje
sibathatha umhlala phansi.
Yeah,
yithi nje yabona hayi sakhula siza kanalo kahle nje yabona.
Okay guys, this is Dlamini extension 5. We've just found out here. It's a nice place, it's quiet. Mostly it's pensioners. That's what he has observed. People who've worked hard and now they are enjoying the fruits of their hard work. So it's a suburb, very nice, quiet. Yeah, as you can tell, guys, it's in Soweto, some eastern parts of Soweto. That's where we are now. Eastern central part of Soweto, somewhere there. So guys, we'll be trying by all means to show you the houses, because some of you guys were complaining that sometimes I just pass through without really showing, more especially the beautiful houses. Yeah, I'll try by all means to take time and show you nicely. So as you can see here, okay, let's check this one here. Nicely built, as you can see there. Yeah, this is really beautiful, guys. Yeah, we're always encouraged to see this. We like it to see. We love to see this in the township. Yeah, beautiful structure, beautiful design. It seems like a house. Yeah, it is a house. Sometimes you can confuse them to maybe some guest house or a lodge, but it is a house, a big house, a double-story house. Very nice design. So Lamini is very beautiful, guys. We've just started our video, but we're seeing beautiful things, beautiful stuff. That's what you are here for. There's another nice structure over here. Yeah, double story, really nice build. Yeah, beautiful. Very beautiful. So this area, they said it's a Lakeview in Dlamini, extension 5. That's what they call it here. Lakeview. As you can see here, the school over here. Yeah, it's a Lakeview Primary School. Yeah, that's what it is. So Lakeview Primary School. This is Lakeview Primary School. So if you can tell, right over there, there's a new construction happening there. So there's a new construction of a shopping center there. So let's continue with Lakeview, guys.
Yeah, it's a Lakeview.
Lakeview.
Smallest kasi in Soweto. One entrance, one exit. Yeah, umnandi kaslam.
Yeah.
Mathulile, as you can see.
Sure.
And yeah, nane guest house le phezulu nangale.
Oh, I see. Leyana ikuthuleni ne?
Yeah, ekuthuleni.
Yeah, it's about pill fresh. And it's hidden, man.
Yeah.
And Ratumanga, but somebody who channel I'm going to suggest it. No, go to Lakeview, Lamini extension. Lakeview.
Mamele nje ufike maybe during the day yabo.
Yeah.
La uzobona abantu sebagcwele. Yeah, that's about it. Baba, mina igama lami offense, Khalimele.
So le gama leli uDlamini, like where is it coming from?
Bathi angazi bekune kunjeni lento le. AmaZulu when the different cultures broke away from each other.
Okay.
So about Dlamini, I think I'm a Swati.
Yeah, I sharp my brother, man. At least you feeling kancane. Nama audience ojabula bo. Nama subscribers and viewers.
Yeah. Nami ngizoyibheka.
Uyibheke Story 88.
Aniyibheke Story 88 ku TikTok and YouTube. Sharp.
This song good. We're talking to Offense. He explained that Lamini is a nice area. It's quiet, nice, chilled. Because now it's morning. So during the day, that's where you find movement. You see the movement of people around here. It's derived from the Lamini people somewhere there. Normally, Laminis are found in the Swati nation. Okay, guys, if you're new to the channel, if you just found this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Also to like, and also if you want to share a comment, you are free to do so. Yeah, we'll be very much looking forward to your comments and your suggestions, guys. Very beautiful kasi, guys. Lamini is very beautiful. It's hidden. It's not that famous in Soweto. Yes, people they know it's Soweto, but not as famous as Deep Kloof, Orlando. Yeah, very people talk about Lamini, but it's a hidden gem in Soweto. So I'm really impressed. Yeah, it's really amazing. If you want a quiet area, peace of mind, come here, come to Lamini. So this street is bending here. Let's bend with the street, with the road. I think it's going around. It's going around where we came from. So we're still in Lakeview. This area is Lakeview. It's very close to a river, the lake somewhere there. Yeah, I think that's why they called it Lamini Extension 5 Lakeview. As you see, there's some walls, it's gated. Yeah, and the garden is very nice over here. You see, they're taking good care of the garden. So they're watering. Yeah. Very interesting, very nice. That's what you want to see. They planted some trees here. You see they're still young, but they'll grow and become very beautiful even more. Okay. This is the Lamini, Lakeview. So Soweto is beautiful, guys. And Soweto has very beautiful areas, places. So there's lots of suburbs in Soweto. It's countless. We haven't done half of Soweto, so there's lots and lots to see. There, I think there's a shop here. Yeah, there's a shop, a tuck shop. Yes, guys, we're still in a Lamini, Lakeview, just showcasing to the world, guys. Showcasing Lamini to the world. So where we are now, we're opposite Togoza Park. As you can see there, there's the River station there, over there. Yeah, that's where we are. We're not far from the main road. Yeah, beautiful house over here. You see, you can tell that it's still under construction. They're not done yet. They haven't started living here. I think so. But yeah, it's gonna be very, very beautiful when everything is done and finished, done and dusted. Okay, right. Okay, and also here the neighbor hasn't played as well. Beautiful designs, nicely built. Yeah, keeps everything beautiful, guys. And also here you can tell, nice double garage. Lamini is beautiful, guys. It's very beautiful. It's not only Protea, Deep Kloof, and the other castles like Dobsonville, but Lamini is also, okay, just showing you. So we'll be going around, guys. We'll be going to Lamini extension. This is another part of Lamini. So we'll be covering the other sides of Lamini, showcasing to you the beauty of Lamini, guys, of Soweto. Yeah, so let's continue with our walk. It's so nice over there. Nice double story.